So hey, what's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mayal at welcome sa Kokote. Where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para mag-update ka na sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Kokote. At ang bagong lesson natin for today is life cycle of a butterfly, grasshopper, and other animals. So dito makikita natin yung iba't ibang klaseng life cycle ng butterfly, grasshopper, shrimp, mosquito, and other animals na pwede pa nating makita dito sa life cycle na ating lesson for today. So, diba sa una nating lesson na cycles of life, so nabanggit na doon yung mga stages ng complete metamorphosis. And for today naman, magka-connect na naman sila dahil makikita natin yung iba't ibang life cycle ng mga animals na maaari natin makita sa ating paligid-ligid or sa environment natin or sa tahanan natin. So, let's start and let's find out. This is a cycle of a butterfly. So, ito, this note is, parang, ito na rin yun. So, i-wide natin siya. So, yan. Yan na, okay? This one. The first one, so, pointer na lang gagamitin natin. So, this one. The female monarch lays a cluster of eggs on the leaves of a plant. So, yan yung mga eggs niya. Naglilay siya ng eggs. Nakikita niyo ba yung eggs? Yan. Yan siya, yung mga maliliit na dots, parang dots. So, dito tayo sa number 2. Each tiny caterpillar or larva hatches and starts to eat. It grows very quickly. So, yan, medyo may nabuo ng mga tiny caterpillars. Yun. Yun. Next natin. When fully grown, the caterpillar spins a silken thread and firmly attaches itself into a twig. So, yan. So, meron siya mga spins a silken thread. So, yan. To attach itself to the twig or yung parang sa part ng isang tree or a plant. So, yan. As a plant lang pala siya. So, medyo maliit lang kasi yung twig. The caterpillar sheds its strippy skin, revealing a chrysalis or pupa. It now looks still and lifeless. So, yan. From this to this. So, medyo parang nagbalot siya. So, yan. Next natin, it's inside the chrysalis, a new body slowly begins to form. Finally, the skin splits and an adult butterfly emerges. So, from egg to caterpillar to pupa stage, so yan, magiging adult na siya. So, the butterfly clings to the twig and the milkweed plant, letting its new things hang down to help force blood into them. So, yan, when the wings have dried and hardened, metamorphosis is now complete. And the adult monarch butterfly can fly away. So, ganyan yung nagiging life cycle ng ating butterfly. So, yung madalas nakikita natin to sa mga alam ko, may nakita na ako nito sa isang zoo yung parang may butterfly, talaga sila, shed sila doon, na pwede kang makita ng mga different colors and types of butterfly doon. So, nakalimutan ko na yung name. Bio-research ata. Nag-field trip kami ng grade 2. So, I remember that zoo. So, meron mga butterflies ata doon. If I'm not mistaken, doon ata sa bio-research. Kasi sa Malabon Zoo, ang alam ko, walang mga butterflies doon. So, yan. Next natin. In complete metamorphosis natin, some insects like the grasshopper undergo a gradual or incomplete metamorphosis in which the insect goes only through 3 stages, namely egg, nymph, and an adult. There is no larval or pupal stage. When we say incomplete metamorphosis, wala siyang larval or pupal stage. So, recta, egg, nymph, and adult na siya. So, a nymph, which has the same general appearance as an adult, hatches from the egg. This keep molting until it resembles the adult. So, life cycle of a grasshopper. So, yan from egg. So, pag ganito siya. So, incomplete siya. So, itong 5 nymphal stages and ito na yung adult niya. So, yan ang life cycle of a grasshopper. So, ito naman yung sa bug. From egg, magmomolt siya. And magiging adult na siya. So, incomplete metamorphosis pa rin siya kasi wala siyang larval or pupal stage. So, ito naman ang life cycle ng mosquito natin. So, nagle-laid yung mga mosquito sa mga plants. So, yan. So, yan. Magiging siya, active larval stage or regular na siya. So, yan. This is the regular. And dahil dyan, magiging adult na siya at pwede na ulit siyang makapangagat at makapagpanta sa atin. So, yan ang life cycle ng ating mosquito. Dito naman, yung life cycle of shrimp naman natin. So dahil nga mahilig ako sa shrimp, tignan natin ang ating seafood. Kung ano nga ba ang kanyang life cycle. So, yan. From egg. So, yan. So, para siyang dot or para siyang taling. So, ganyan. Egg. Now, Pleus. So, yan. Nauplius. O Nauplius. So, yan. Medyo para siyang may ugat. Ganon siya. Zoea. So, yan na. Medyo para naging mas malaki yung mga, para siyang roots. Para siyang mga roots na ganyan. Meron tayong background. Ito yung mga background na naririnig. So, yan. So, mysis. So, yan. Medyo maliit na shrimp siya. But ito, pero hindi pa siya ganito ka-complete. So, hindi pa to fully grown. So, yan. Mysis pa lang siya. Mag-next tayo. Mysis becomes an adult. So, medyo na-develop na siya. Lumalaki na. And female shrimp lays egg. So, dito nagle-lays ng egg ang ating mga shrimp. So, ito ang ating pinaka-adult. So, yan ang ating life cycles of a shrimp. So, ito yung ating life cycle of a fly. Fly today, fly. So, ito yung egg natin. Ito yung larva. So, ito yung nakita nyo yung pentel pen kanina. So, ganito yung itsura niya pag wala siyang pentel pen. So, pareho lang din naman and may mga lines na ganun. So, ito magiging pupa siya. So, yan, magiging pupa na siya and magiging adult na siya. So, yan yung mga langaw. So, yan. Tapos makikita niya sa kusina. So, yan. Amphibians like the frog also undergo incomplete metamorphosis. Frogs lays eggs in water. It fertilized by a male frog. The fertilized eggs hatch into tadpoles that have fins and gill. These help the tadpoles live in water. As tadpoles grow into adults, they develop eggs and lungs that will enable them to live in land. So, ito naman yung life cycle ng ating frog. So, yan. Young, legless tadpole live off yolks stored in their body. So, yan. Ito tayo magsisimula. So, yan. From this, tadpoles with legs feed on plants in the water. Young frog structures needed for life on land. And, yan. So, for me, takot din ako sa mga frogs and ayoko makakita ng frog. So, pag nakita talaga ako ng frog, nairit talaga ako dahil ewan ko kung bakit takot sa kanya maliban sa snake. So, ayoko talaga ng frogs. So, yan. And yung ipis okay naman kasi natataboy naman, pero yung frog talaga, hindi ko talaga siya maalis talaga. Talaga mapapairit ka na lang sa frog. Pero siya yung life cycle niya and it's fascinating talaga how life cycle of other animals process to develop a certain kind of a type of animal like mammals, like insects, amphibians, so yan, reptiles, so yan. So thank you, have a great day, and God bless. So click the thumbs up button if you like this video and leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and suggestions to our recent and suggest topic or lessons for our future videos. So thank you, have a great day, and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.